Casey with Transform Charleston, and today we're in Sullivan's Island in South Carolina. We're currently working on a job where we're removing existing 6-inch half-round gutter that was damaged from an ice storm and replacing it with 8-inch half-round to allow for more water flow. As you see, based on these videos, there was a lot of seeping and droppage in the current gutters. You find that a lot with these half-round hangers that aren't heavy duty. With a little bit of weight coming off a metal roof, it'll sink. You'll notice when the gutter is attached, the existing gutter is attached to the fascia with these existing not heavy duty straps. They move around a lot. Pretty much they are attached by a single clip in the back and an arm on the front that locks in. When removing this, all you do is take a tool to pop this off and this should lift right out. The back of this will still be attached to the fascia. From there, you're going to be unscrewing those 1.25 inch screws and removing this, and you'll have a flat surface and a brand new fascia to mount to. The original screws, 1/4 inch hex head, around 1.25 inch going into the fascia, were holding up these strap hangers. This was the original when half-round was introduced to the market. This would clip over the top, holding the gutter in place, and you'd angle it based on where you're coming off the fascia. The issue with these is the flimsiness of them. As you see, this one is bent, nowhere near straight, and over time the weight of the water in the gutter will bend these. The new hangers that we put on every house is a heavy-duty reinforced steel hanger. You still have the holes for the fascia. When this goes to be installed, the gutter will drop in, this will bend over and hold in the backside, while this bends over the top and holds the front. That will lock it in place, and the structure support on this being heavy duty, you won't have any issues with the weight of water flowing into your gutters. When attaching the new heavy duty strap hangers to the new gutter, it's pretty simple. These will be lined up on the fascia at the correct pitch. From there, the gutter will drop in. After the gutter drops in, you're going to be taking both of these, bending it over to lock in the gutter. This will already be screwed, and you continue that step of pulling down and screwing from there.